Um, so if you're using a pentair pump and you're saying it only shows time, I assume you're talking about superflow variable speed. They have, if you're flipping open the back of it, you can look at, there's a little chart that tells you kind of what buttons to press, how to get it started. So if it's just showing time, it's something like hitting 1, then the start button, and then it'll show you it'll show you kind of an RPMs, and then the countdown that it'll show is kind of it's how long it has left in priming mode. So if you're only getting the time, then chances are you just need to hit the start button or something, unless there is indeed an electrical issue going on with it. If it has any type of shortage, some of the earlier variable speed pumps did have kind of an overheat voltage sort of, I can't remember exactly what the code is, but did have some issues where a lot of times just tripping the power and starting it back over seemed to take care of that. So if there's a little lightning bolt, if that's lit up, then I would try resetting the power and then seeing how that goes.